Hello everyone, I am Vaishnavi Kangchi. So let me tell you that I have cleared my CA Inter exams in the very first attempt in January 25, and I am now an articled assistant in KNAV for in their international assurance domain. In this video, I am going to talk about all those things that you need to know when you start applying for your articleship. And without any further ado, let us begin. So, as soon as you are done with your exams, please consider creating your LinkedIn account if you do not have one and start sending connection requests to all those people you think you associate with. Now, these people can be other people from your dream firms, such as senior managers, partners, industrial trainings, articles, HRs. You can reach out to these people on LinkedIn. So how do you reach out to people? So LinkedIn has this search option wherein you can put the name of your dream firm and the person you want to reach out, select say by designation, a senior partner or article trainee. So in this way, you can reach out to many people such as article trainees, managers, partners, the HRs, etc. Now this step becomes really important because these people actually refer you to the HR. Articles do help, but also the managers and partners working in those firms also refer you to the HR. And if you directly message to the HR, and even that's a good option to do. There's just one thing to keep in mind that you actually frame a good message to them so that they can find you worthy and they actually refer you to the HRs. So make sure you frame a nice message to them. The second most important thing is create your resume. Now many people get confused how to create one. So for that, I have mentioned my resume in the description box and also the video that I referred for my resume creation. Just refer these two and your resume will be good to go. So the next important thing is applying for pre-results drive. Now what is pre-results drive? So it is basically some firms opt for interviewing students before the results are out. This way, students can get selected if their performance is good and if their results are positive. So, according to me, every student should opt for pre-results type. Now, how do you know about this? So, again, you need to be super active on LinkedIn. People working in those firms actually post about such things. Also, you can search on the LinkedIn the firm name and you can type pre-results type. So you get to know if there is any drive going on. Then you start seeing the posts of such pre-results type. This way you can know it. So next important thing is prepare for your interview. So whatever domain you have chosen for yourself, you can prepare for that domain through this channel. He has uploaded videos for each and every domain. You can check it out. Also, one more important thing about interview preparation is you can prepare for an interview through ChatGPT as well. So you can search on ChatGPT that I am a CA article applying for this domain. So prepare me for the interview of this domain. So in this way, you ChatGPT gives you all the relevant questions. It gives you questions related to the domain, the behavioral questions, and if you mention the firm name, it also questions you about the firm as well. So in this way, you can get prepared for the interview completely with. You can be prepared with all the aspects that are needed in an interview preparation. So I myself have tried ChatGPT for my interview preparation, and it has really helped me crack interviews, answer the questions that were asked during my time of interview questions. So the next thing is about applying post results. So according to me, when you clear both your groups, you should start applying for articleship without any delay. You should start applying for it even if your IT or OC batch is not completed. That's fine. You can mention in your resume that you are undergoing IT training or OC training. You should still apply for articleship because you see there are 3 attempts in a year, and because of this there is lack of vacancy. So you should start applying as soon as possible after your results. You can message people, you can tell them that you are really very eager to work and learn in that firm and you have cleared your both groups. Also, you can reach out through the website, through the firm's website. Also, there are many WhatsApp groups available wherein you can get the mails of the HRs. So you can directly mail those people, mail the HR, and apply for articleship. Now I want to tell you one thing, that in this whole process of applying, there will be many managers, articles, partners who will respond to you, but there will be also many people who may not revert you back, and that's fine. See, all you have to do is just don't stop applying. Don't stop trying, because trust me, the right opportunity will come to you at the right time. Now, let me tell you my story of articleship. I had made a blunder of applying for articleship after the completion of my IT trainings. Now, because of my late applications, of course, there were no vacancies. People were replying me back saying that right now there are no vacancies. But still, I tried. I did not stop applying for the pubs. In this long process of me applying for articleship, I had really built a nice network of people. I had a good talk with many of my connections on LinkedIn. Because of this, one day I received a message from one of my connections. Actually, it was a post that KNAV is hiring for articles. Then I saw the post and I applied through mail, and I got a response from the HR. I gave the interview, and finally I got selected in KNAV India firm. After this, I was finally like, after 1 month of continuous applications in various firms, I am selected in one of the big bucks. So, all I want to say is just keep trying and build a nice network of people on LinkedIn, because people on LinkedIn are actually very helpful. They are willing to help you only if you reach out to them. So, yes, that was it from my side about the articleship. I shared my experience, I shared my insights on articleship. If you have any queries, you can reach out to me on LinkedIn or here. I am ready to help. So, thank you so much for watching my video.